Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. This video actually I have started a series where I will show you that how you can create or design a PSD web template. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC 2015 for this purpose. You can use any version like 15, 16, 17 or 18. So click on File and then click New and select pixels and select 1600. Width and height is 2000. Resolution you will select 72 and color mode should be RGB 8-bit. The name of this document is my PSD template. Background contents you can select white. Height is 2000, but later according to our content we can change it. So you can see the new document, my PSD template. First of all, click view and rulers. So you can see rulers will appear here. Right click on the rulers and make sure pixels is selected. If for example this is inches, you can change to pixels. Width you can see 1600 and height you can see 2000. Now the next step, we have to create a guide layout, and in this video I will create a new guide layout according to the Bootstrap, which is a responsive HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework. So you can click new guide layout and check this columns, and the number of columns you can select 12. Gutter you can select 30 pixels, which is the difference between columns. Then margin you can select 215 pixels from left and 215 pixels from right. So this is the exact settings of a Bootstrap template, and then click OK. Now if you open calculator, because Bootstrap width for large devices is 1170 pixels or greater than 1170 pixels. In this we started with 1600 pixels. So if you subtract the value 1600 minus 215 margin from right side and minus 215 margin from left side, so it will be 1170 pixels. You can see. So I hope you have understood that how we can start a PSD template and how we can set the guide layout from view, new guide layout. I hope you will follow these settings. So this is the first part of the video of the series, and in the next video definitely we will create navigation for our web template. Make sure you can click on view and lock guides, so guides will not move. Thank you very much.